Money Pro Personalized Finance App Review. So, what is Money Pro? You can manage money like a pro in Money Pro. Money Pro is the one place for bills, budgets, and accounts to manage your money properly. If you have a spending side, this expense tracker is just what you need. Money Pro works great for managing household finances, tracking travel budgets, and even tracking business expenses. The app exists since 2010 on iOS and Mac, over 2.5 million downloads worldwide, and now is available on Windows. Money Pro is a simple tool to track and manage your finances with ease and deep understanding. It will help you cut spending, achieve financial goals, and become financial free. Here we have the Windows version of Money Pro. It's very simple, with a simple UI design, simple words, simple text, and yeah. And here we have the Android version. Still simple designs and very old design text, but very organized and has a lot of flowcharts and graphs. And same for the iPhone one. We have the similar to Android, still the same UI, same design, very simple. As well for iMac, same as Windows, but just has a little bit of difference. And now it's guide. To get started, first thing you do with the app, you fill in the information for your balance sheet or the balance tab. The balance sheet is a type of personal financial statement. It provides an overall snapshot of your wealth at a specific period in time. It is a summary of your assets or what you own and your liabilities or what you owe. Yellow color means debt and blue means money. Assets and liabilities. Even though you might find a more distinct classifications of assets, there are two types of assets, as suggested in the app. One is the payment accounts. Accounts used for payments such as cash, bank account, debit cards, internet accounts, and etc. Other assets are all other assets of great value like houses, vehicles, shares, and etc. Liabilities are also divided into two parts, like credit cards, your credit cards only, and other liabilities like loans, debts, mortgage, and etc. Credit card accounts show your current debt to the bank. Income transactions assigned to credit card accounts decrease debt amount. A hint is keep in mind that true assets generate positive cash flow or increase in value over time. Most of classic assets like a car, a house are not true assets. Most of them take money out of your pocket, like fuel, the maintenance, insurance, and taxes, and depreciate over time. You can add accounts. In your iPhone, just simply press edit or tap edit and add and select the account type. Save for your iPad. And then enter account details for the icon, name, and then the balance, currency, reconcile, and autoclear descriptions, all listed. And for your convenience, every payment account can have its own currency, making sure that it's proper and set the proper currencies for each payment account separately. And when you have finished, you can then press save and then press done. Then you can tap on any of your accounts and you'll see its list of transactions. On the balance tab, you can there press edit. And then there's a new icon there with three stripes to the right of each account. It can be called an account mobility icon. Tap and drag the three stripes icon on either account to the right place in the list of your accounts. Then repeat this operation with other accounts as well. Please note that you can change the order of the accounts only within a particular class, like payment accounts, credit cards, and etc. Once you make the desired order on your iOS device, you'll be able to transfer it to the Mac app by syncing. Now let's talk about the online banking. It requires a gold subscription. Online banking allows connecting Money Pro to your bank to sync your transactions, which will significantly reduce your manual entries. To do that, you can just open the Balance tab, tap Click and Edit, and add an online banking. The app will offer you to register a Money Pro account if you haven't done so, and activate a Money Pro Gold subscription, which provides online banking service. Now, for the OFX or the CSV import, you can download your bank statements from your bank's website. Supported files are OFX and CSV only, and you can use iTunes to upload files on iPhone and iPad. Simply just connect your device to iTunes. Now, for account reconciliation, you can record transactions and clear them later on. Available balance and cleared balance are calculated automatically. You can use account reconciliation for any of your accounts by going to the Balance tab and tap Click Edit and select the account you need and turn on Reconcile. Now for adjusting account balance. In case you haven't entered a transaction for a while and for some reason you don't want to input and skip information, you can just adjust your account balance in the Balance tab as well. And then for deleting your account, simply just go to the Balance account, edit, and hide or delete an account. Most importantly, if you delete an account, its transactions will be deleted as well, so use the hide option to preserve transaction history. Now for the budgets. Money Pro can handle all your budgeting needs. Budgeting is one of the main tools to get your expenses under control so that to save extra money for a big planned purchase in the future and to get out of debt or accumulated wealth. And for categories and subcategories, you can make this tool efficient by making first think of the structure of your budget. Then by setting up a budget, just go to the budget section and create a budget. You can set up multiple budgets. And now we have here tracking your budget. With the budget widget just at the top of the screen, it shows the budget progress over time. And then by deleting the budget, simply just go to the budget and press delete and delete all future budgets as well. Let's talk about the bills. By simply taking a look at the day section, you will instantly know how many due and overdue transactions you have. Different colors contain information. Orange color for overdue, white color for planned schedules, and green is for actual paid transactions. Let's move on to the creating a transaction or the transaction types first. We have here income, expense, money transfer, and others. We have here the income transaction where you receive money from someone else. An expense transaction is when you pay someone else in exchange for a purchase or service. And money transaction is when your money goes from one of your app's account to another, and etc. Vice versa. Similar for asset purchase, asset sale, similar to just how income and expense works, and for liability and discharge of liability. Now creating a transaction, just go to the upper corner and press the tab and click the plus. Same here, and just go to add a transaction. And then you can start deleting a transaction by also going to the delete at the bottom. MoneyPro also has the currency converter in the app. When you enter an amount will create in transactions or planning your budget. And then we have here where you can transfer internationally to different countries. You have a lot of options like US, Euro, Australian dollars, and many, many more. And lastly, for the planned and recurring bills. And using the Today widget on your iPhone, and you can create reports, filters, income expenses reports, and now your assets and liabilities reports, cash flow report, and project balance report.